Imagine a future where your questions in Hindi, Telugu, or Marathi get answered instantly. Where India no longer relies on foreign AI giants. This is the story of how Bharat is building its own ChatGPT. What if I told you that India's version might soon outsmart ChatGPT in Indian languages? Stay with me, because you'll see real Indian AI projects, hidden breakthroughs, and how this race could change your life. India is waking up to an AI revolution. From government labs to deep tech startups, a silent storm is brewing beneath the digital surface. When you chat with ChatGPT or Gemini, remember, they're trained mostly on Western data, stored on foreign servers. But India wants to change that and build something entirely its own. Why? Because language, culture, and data ownership matter deeply. A model built in India can understand your idioms, your slang, your context. It can also ensure your data stays protected under Indian law. Back in 2020, when GPT-3 and GPT-4 stunned the world, India realized something important. Those models didn't truly represent us. So Indian researchers began working in silence, training AI to understand not just English, but Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, and Marathi, to make AI that truly speaks like India. One of the earliest breakthroughs came from a small Bengaluru startup. They fed AI with Indian news, literature, social media posts, even folk tales, teaching machines how Indians think and express emotion. Meanwhile, the government of India launched its bold BharatAI mission, part of Digital India and Viksit Bharat 2047 vision. Through IITs, CRSIR, and MIT, they aim to make open-source Indian language models accessible to everyone. Their dream: an AI that serves every Indian, not just English speakers. These aren't copies of ChatGPT. They're fine-tuned for India's unique code mixing, that blend of Hindi and English we use every day. They understand "Arre yaar kya kar rahe ho" as naturally as "What are you doing?" But building such AI isn't easy. India doesn't have massive, clean datasets like the West. Our data is regional, fragmented, and scattered across dialects. That's why engineers are building huge data lakes, from newspapers, YouTube subtitles, podcasts, and even translated Panchatantra stories, to give Indian AI a genuine Indian voice. And it's working. In 2024, an AI chatbot trained in Odia helped flood victims by giving real-time rescue guidance in Odia. Another, trained in Tamil, now answers government tax filing questions with near-human accuracy. A farmer in Bihar can ask in Bhojpuri, "Kis tarah ka beej sahi rahega?" He gets a contextual answer on soil, weather, and crop yield, instantly. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's already happening. So how does Bharat's ChatGPT actually work? First comes data collection. Millions of text samples from books, documents, and local media. Then comes data cleaning, removing noise, balancing regional diversity. Next is model training, often starting from open models like Llama or Mistral, then fine-tuned with Indian context and ethics. This ensures the AI doesn't just translate words, it understands meaning. The biggest challenge is compute power. Training massive models requires GPU clusters that cost crores. That's why IITs, private labs, and cloud providers are joining hands to share infrastructure. Equally critical is governance and safety. When AI speaks in Hindi or Punjabi, how do we prevent bias or misinformation? Teams are developing Indian red team datasets to make AI more responsible and culturally aware. As of 2025, India has several strong contenders: Krutrim, BharatGPT, SarvamAI, and IndusLLM. Each serves a unique purpose: language mastery, business automation, and government communication. Krutrim, founded by Ola's Bhavish Agarwal, aims to become a full Indian alternative to ChatGPT, trained on diverse regional data. SarvamAI builds open multilingual foundation models. And BharatGPT focuses on public service chatbots for citizens. The AI ecosystem is expanding fast, and the world is paying attention. Investors from Silicon Valley to Singapore are tracking Bharat's AI growth closely. Still, challenges remain. Many Indian languages lack high-quality data sets. Training is expensive, and rural access to AI tools is limited. Yet, progress is undeniable. Legal AI tools now read Hindi case files more accurately than English models. Voice assistants can understand accents from Lucknow to Chennai. And translation AIs are helping students learn across language barriers. Why does all this matter to you? Because Indian AI won't just change business, it will change daily life. Your parents will talk to government chatbots in their own tongue. Small traders will file GST in Hindi. Kids in remote villages will learn coding without needing English. This is not just technology, it's empowerment. It's the bridge between knowledge and access, between urban and rural, between privilege and potential. If this story inspires you so far, pause and hit subscribe right now. Because what comes next will show how this transformation might redefine your future. Here's the big question: will India's AI remain open or fall into the hands of a few powerful corporations? If monopolized, innovation could slow and control could centralize. But if kept open, AI could become a true public good, as essential as electricity. India's future depends on collaboration, not competition. We need open data sets, transparent regulation, and public-private partnerships. And above all, awareness among citizens like you. Imagine a near future. Indian AI powers your city's traffic lights and renewable grids. Your school lessons arrive through an AI teacher who speaks your dialect. Your government services respond in seconds, not weeks. That's the vision of AI for Bharat. Made in India, for Indians by Indians. But risks remain. Lack of cooperation, chip shortages, or over-regulation could slow progress. The good news? Awareness is rising fast, and you can help shape it. By learning, sharing, and engaging with AI responsibly, you influence its direction. Because the next tech war isn't about apps. It's about who owns intelligence itself. If India owns its intelligence, it owns its destiny. Here's the truth. India is no longer just consuming AI. It's creating it. From local startups to national missions, Bharat's ChatGPT is real, evolving, and growing stronger each day. It may not be perfect yet, but every data set, every coder, every voice brings it closer to greatness. Soon, when someone in California asks ChatGPT a question, the underlying data might come from India. That's poetic. The world once again learning from Bharat. If this inspired you, comment below which Indian language you want AI to master next. Maybe it's your mother tongue, or one that deserves more digital life. Subscribe, like, and share this video, because awareness builds revolutions. Check the description for links to open Indian AI projects, datasets, and communities. Join the movement. India's AI story is still being written. And you? Yes, you are holding the pen.